Hi everybody, welcome back to the Dahlia Society. Well, can you believe it? May is over and I have to show you my makes that I made this month. I just cannot believe how fast it's gone. May has been a really productive month again for me. I must admit, being stuck at home has really helped with my sewing sojo. I know that a lot of people have been feeling a little bit underwhelmed with the whole sewing, like it's being inspired, but I've been finding without all the typical running around school runs and driving that I've had a lot more time to focus on my sewing, so I'm really lucky there. And with the change of seasons, of course, having not much to wear has really helped a lot as well, because I've been knitting that cooler weather clothing. So being a sewist has been fantastic for that. We've really all seen a whole change of seasons since we've been home, so if you've had fabric in your stash, you've been really lucky, as did myself. Having that little bit stored up has actually really helped, just to try and get through without having to go shopping or even ordering online, because there has been a bit of a backlog with getting things delivered. We are still waiting in Australia quite a lot longer to get things internationally shipped. I've heard a lot of the international postage with the flying in and out is down to about 5% of what they normally would be doing, so we are waiting a lot longer. So if you're experiencing delays in getting things shipped from overseas, that's why. So I think we just have to be really patient. We have to learn to just wait that little bit longer to get everything delivered in a safe manner. So good luck if you're still waiting. Thank you to all my new subscribers. You'll see the last week I actually had hit 4K, so 4,000 subscribers is incredible. I actually started September last year, so to reach that goal in not even the space of 12 months, I am just astounded, really. I am just so grateful for everyone, for my constant support you've all shown me. I just think that it makes it so much easier to record. You're basically like my besties all there, supporting me every week, inspiring me to keep going and keep sewing. And I am no expert sewist. I'm just learning as I go, like you guys. I just think that having someone to give you a little bit of inspiration, whether it be with fabric or with patterns, I just love what I do. So I really hope that comes through. And yeah, so grateful for everyone for all their constant messages and all their suggestions every week. I just think it's incredible. I've learned so much from you guys. So big thank you. Now, one thing I am a little bit concerned about is the shift of seasons, whether you guys want to see me keep sewing for my season or whether you'd like me to incorporate a bit of your seasons. I know that a lot of my viewers from the Northern Hemisphere are entering that really warm summer period now. So if I keep sewing my winter makes, are you guys going to be interested in that? Please let me know in the comments whether you would like me to do a bit more of a mix, or if you're quite happy for me to keep sewing my winter wardrobe, let me know that. If you'd like to see some more versatile summer wear or trans-seasonal clothing, let me know as well, because I've got so much that I haven't shown you as yet as far as summer makes go that I've made in previous years that I think you guys would love as well. So I'd love to hear your input on that, but I'm quite happy to do either and just keep it going as it is. So Me Made May was a big start to the month. I know a lot of you had gone on, especially on Instagram, and documented your makes, your wears every day. I must admit, I wear Me Made just about every day, but getting the chance to photograph myself, or with having everybody home and have such a big full house, I don't always get the chance to do the daily documentation. So I've done it here and there, but not every day. So I applaud you guys if you've done that every day, and you've helped inspire the Me Made 2020 hashtag. Brings the community together, and it also shows you new people that you are sewing that you might not have seen yet. So it's a fantastic hashtag, and all hashtags are brilliant. So down to the Me Made Makes of May. I will get stuck right into it. The last episode that got so much feedback, which was actually hilarious because it was a little bit of a joke. It was a joke, but I really wanted to make one for myself, and that would be the Nana Granny dressing gown with the zip up the front in the cuddly minky fleece. That had such a great impact on everyone. Everyone had that whole nostalgia around either having a Nana or a mum that wore that exact dressing gown. A lot of you have gone on to actually make, well, they've told me they're going to make one for yourself. So I just think that's brilliant, because I really didn't expect that. Although I think it's something comfortable I'm going to wear. I'm sure you guys will want to wear it too. With that dressing gown to match, I also made the two Love Notions Namaste nighties, which I'm super happy with. I've been wearing them a lot. Comfortable. I just think having that good quality cotton interlock too, it's so nice to wear to bed when you're used to having sort of cheap nightwear, cheap sleepwear. Having a good quality breathable cotton is fantastic. So don't forget, you can make it in short sleeves, short legs, pajamas, long leg pajamas. It's really adaptable for each season. I'll pop a link to that pattern as well, so if you wanted to go on and purchase that, you can do. The fold over elastic made it really easy as well. So a little bit of sleeper, I think, has been fantastic inspiration, and it's also made me realize how many of you are already sewing sleepwear. So I've got a few more little sleepwear things in the pipelines that I'm thinking about doing. I've got some fabric aside. I've got a little bit of a vision there of what I want to do. I'm really loving the feel of that retro style as far as sleepwear goes, because I don't wear a lot of retro clothing in my just day-to-day life, but to wear it to bed. The next make of the month would be the free pattern from Sewciety, which is an apron with a crossover back. Now, I think on one of my weekly gathers I showed you guys just how versatile this apron is. Yeah, for a free download, it's a really gorgeous pattern, and I think it could easily be made into a wearable garment over like a tunic style top over a pair of jeans. So that is my it's a duck drill, I think it is, in like a leopard print. So very happy with that style as well. Now, my biggest, most intense makes of the month would have to be the Deer and Doe Passiflor dress and jacket. The Deer and Doe dress I made in a polyester blend, which I wouldn't advise to make it in. If I did it again, definitely stick to the rayon. This was a wearable twill, which I thought I would just make up, see how it came up. It came up really quite wearable, but there's a few little issues with the way the bottom stitching is puckering. Of course, it's too drapey and too lightweight for this style of structured pattern. So I would definitely recommend making it in a linen or a cotton or a rayon at the lightest. So, but look, it's still wearable, still really happy with the design of it, but much happier with the rayon twill style that I did in the pink, dusky or musky pink, I should say. This, I love the style of it. I also love the fact that you can wear it as a jacket or a dress. It's the right length for either. Fantastic over jeans as well. So really happy with the rayon twill. Definitely looking to something with a bit more body like that. But yeah, would love to make this in a linen. Very happy with the style. The more recent episodes, you might have seen the Gerarda Davies Cora top, which was actually a really interesting t-shirt. I made it in a dinosaur print, which I have had stolen by my daughter, who loves it. It has the interesting strip on the back. And I made that in 3 or 4 different styles. That is the long sleeve version with the V-neck and the strip on the back. Loved the lurex, I thought was quite interesting. And this is in just an ITY jersey. But I did see Gerarda brought out her versions that were just spectacular looking and really quite basic, strong colours, solid colours with the pattern stripes, which looks fantastic. Love to make one of those in a bold, bright colour with that stripe. I think it looks. And that is the Ponte version I did with the leftover rayon jersey, which I'd made a top. The Kristen kimono tee I made at the start of the year in that same fabric. I had a bit of leftover, so fantastic for stash busting. Don't look past the Cora. I think it's beautiful. It sews up in less than 1.1 meters for a 150 width. So very, very versatile and a great scrap buster. Now, the first make of the month I had was the Melinda midi skirt, which was beautiful patch pocket skirt with an elastic waist. That I did a whole video on styling, how I styled it differently with each thing I wore. I think I had a Helen's Closet Pona jacket. I had a Berlin jacket from Sewciety, which looked beautiful with the colours as well, and just even a black polo neck too. So a very good trans-seasonal piece if you guys are wanting something to change over seasons but to wear all year through. This I loved with my tan boots, and I will be definitely wearing that again in a spotlight rayon as well. So really loving the spotlight prints they've got out at the moment. They've got quite a few new rayons that I'm just really excited about, which I'm going to be showing you guys in my next episode, which is going to be a fabric haul and plans for the next month. So make sure you tune in for that. So that was my May makes. I've got quite a bit planned for June. As I say, a bit of winter wear. It's getting dark out here now. We're heading for about 5 o'clock in the evening, so the sun's going down quicker than I can finish this off for you. But I really wanted to get these makes just to refresh your memory. I will link the episodes for these as well, so you can catch up if you haven't seen all of them. And I want to thank you again for watching today, and take care, and we will see you soon for another episode. Bye for now.